In previous video we discuss about the causes of dark circles. Today we talk about some of the solution of dark circles. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. Before we even begin this natural journey, let me tell you that dark circles take time to cure and require great discipline. A regular skin and health care program should be followed, by the book, so do not expect magic to happen overnight. The solution. So how do we combat them? How do we look younger, and most of all, how do we even out our complexion? For all of you who have internal problems, whether it is weakness, bad diet or irregular lifestyles, you know exactly how to change it. Lessen stress in your life by incorporating yoga, meditation or even a hobby at least 3 times a week into your life. This will change the way you look and feel. Vitamin supplements are often needed, and I would recommend vitamin B and C, which help repair and improve the skin texture. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, kiwi fruits, apricots and melons have high contents of vitamin C and should be included in your diet. 1. Massage. Mix coconut oil and almond oil and massage gently in circular motion around the eyes. Leave on for about an hour. This should be done daily. You can also make the following eye mask that lightens dark circles if used regularly. My suggestion is that you make the mask and store it in the fridge. It will easily last up to 1 week without going bad. 2. Eye pack. Ground fresh coconut. A few drops of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons grated cucumber. 1 teaspoon fresh cream. 3 teaspoons china clay. Mix all these ingredients together and keep in the fridge. Cover the eyes with cotton gauge and apply the mask over it, taking care that the pack does not drip into the eyes. You can lie down in a cool place and relax. This should ideally be left on for a minimum of 20 minutes before gently washing off with milk and then water. 3. Tomato eye toner. Mix lemon juice and fresh tomato juice and massage the eye area with this daily. Leave the toner on for about 20 minutes and wash with coconut water. 4. Grated potato. Raw grated potato or even cold raw potato slices have proven to have lightening effects on the skin. I have used this ingredients many a times with positive results to lighten dark circles. 5. Herbal teas. Most of us have smartened up and realized the vagaries of too much sugar in tea and coffee. We have switched over to healthier substitutes like herbal teas and non-sugary drinks. If you too have crossed over and drink herbal teas, never throw the tea bags in the bin but keep them refrigerated. Use these on the eyes, especially after doing an eye massage. Chamomile tea bags are wonderful for this and have proven to lighten the eye area dramatically. With these wonderful natural recipes you are now geared up to reduce dark circles. But let me warn you, no skincare routine can never be complete without its magical ingredient, and that is regularity and discipline. So start right away. Thanks to all of you who are watching me, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.